Hi, I'm Britt. I'm recently single for the first time in a while.
Yes.
Um, I'm just.
Simplify the game. Simplify.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Curling iron!
Right in the bathroom where you left it.
Oh my god, have you seen my brow brush?
Right side drawer. What are you so nervous about? This is going to be fine.
Fine? Fine. How is this gonna be fine? Liv, I have not been on a blind date before, like, ever. In my entire life. I have not had sex with a new man in 9 years. 9 years, Liv. Like, what if it's different now? Plus, I get really anxiety-ridden on first dates, and I just ran out of Xanax.
Britt, calm down. Look, you don't have to have sex with him on the first date, okay? All you have to do is be yourself. And sex hasn't changed that much in the past 9 years, just so you know. I'm sure you and Matt are doing it just fine. Look, you have half an hour to get ready, and you still need to do your hair and your makeup, and oh my god, woman, shave your legs. If that is what your legs that people see look like, I would hate to think about what's going on down in here.
Oh wait, I just forgot. That's all.
Forgot for the last 6 months?
Ha ha.
Come on, let's get you ready.
Sure, it was such a good idea for him to come here. Should we have just met there?
Why, so you can cancel? I know you better than that, and that is why I made him come here.
How well do you even know this guy? What if he's like a serial killer or something? I saw this.
Relax. God, maybe you did need that extra drink. I haven't seen him since college, but I'm pretty sure he hasn't buried any bodies since then. So put your shoe on, yeah? And there.
What the fuck was that?
Liv, long time no see. Oh, you must be Britt. It's a pleasure to meet you. Liv's told me so much about you.
Did she tell you that this is my first date in 9 years and that I have crippling anxiety?
I'm sorry. Liv did tell me. I can go if you want.
No, that won't be necessary. Britt just has a weird sense of humor, right? Britt? She was just being facetious, right, Britt?
No. But Daniel, it really is lovely to meet you. I just don't think I'm ready for this. I don't want to waste your time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made you come all the way down here and then I ruined your evening.
No, you didn't ruin anything. I understand. I mean, it's got to be hard. I can't imagine. I'm gonna shut up now.
Stay for a drink at least. Unless I've completely scared you off.
Drink sounds lovely.
Oh, God.
Morning.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Like shit.
Yeah.
Can I get you a coffee or something?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh my God, Daniel is still here.
Well, yeah, I figured he wouldn't be the type to fucking run. Plus, he was pretty wasted last night. He definitely couldn't drive.
Oh my God, you know that we...
Yeah, sweetie, the walls are very thin. Also, I was here when you guys went to your room.
What do I do?
I don't know, try a position you haven't tried before.
I mean, like, how do I get rid of him?
Britt, come on, this is a good thing. You are young and hot, and you have a wonderful and amazing man in your bed. Why are you downstairs talking to me? Go!
Thank you. You know, we can talk about it if you want.
Sorry, what?
Listen, Britt, I don't want to make you feel uncomfortable in your own home. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. If you want me to leave, I will. And if you want to talk about it, I'm here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm being weird. It's just... My fiancé died 6 months ago. I just feel like it's too soon.
Yeah. I understand.
His name was Matt. We were 4 months away from our wedding. That day went by 2 months ago. God, it was the most difficult day of my life. Liv's been staying with me since it happened. This isn't the apartment. I couldn't go back there.
Yeah.
It's like he was everywhere. You're a really great guy, Daniel. Maybe one day when I'm not such an utter mess.
You're not a mess. You're a woman who's lost her fiancé. You've got it more together than you think.
We decided to stay friends.
Friends. Really? You and I are friends, but you don't need any more friends.
She's right, you know. Britt. I know you'll always love me. You don't have to prove it to me, or to anyone else for that matter. But you're so young. You have your whole life ahead of you. You shouldn't be spending time wasting it thinking about me.
You're right.
Wait, what?
You heard me. You're right. I should move on.
Okay. Great. Well, does that mean that you're gonna be seeing Daniel again? No, wait. To hell with Daniel. I know what we've got to do.
Online dating?
Yes! You're ready. Tinder, Match, Bumble. You're signing up for them all. Get ready. It's gonna be a wild ride.